Did you know that with as little as 1,000 rupees, you can become a part owner of some of Pakistan's biggest companies? It might sound surprising, but it's true. A few days ago, I started investing in Pakistan's stock market with just 1,000 rupees. Since then, many of you have been asking me, where did you invest? How does it work? Is it safe? And can beginners really invest? So, in today's video, I'll answer all of those questions. You'll learn what the Pakistan Stock Exchange, PSX, is, how it works, why companies list their shares there, how investors make money, and the biggest mistakes every beginner should avoid. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how PSX works, even if you've never invested before. So, let's get started. 1. What is PSX? Let's start with the basics. PSX stands for Pakistan Stock Exchange. It is Pakistan's main stock exchange, the only place in the country where shares of companies are officially bought and sold. Now, what does that mean for you? Simple. When you invest in a company listed on PSX, you become a part owner of that company. Yes, even with 1,000 rupees, you own a small piece of a real business. PSX was formed in 2016 after the merger of three exchanges, Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad Stock Exchange. Today, it lists over 500 companies across many sectors. It provides a regulated and transparent platform where buyers and sellers meet every single day to trade shares. 2. How does PSX work? Now let me explain how it actually works in the simplest way possible. Companies list their shares on PSX to raise money. Investors like you and me buy and sell those shares through brokers. Now, here's the key. Prices change based on demand and supply. If more people want to buy a stock, price goes up. If more people want to sell, price goes down. For example, if a company is earning good profits, more investors want to buy its shares. That increases the price. And if you already own those shares, you benefit. It really is that simple. 3. Why do companies list on PSX? Now you might wonder, why do big companies even come to PSX? The answer is to raise money without taking loans. Instead of borrowing from a bank and paying interest, companies sell shares to the public. This helps them expand their business, start new projects, or reduce their existing debt. For example, imagine a cement company wants to build a new factory. They list on PSX, sell shares, collect money from investors, and build that factory. And you, as an investor, become a part owner of that growing business. Win-win for everyone. 4. What is KSE 100 index? Now let's talk about a term you will hear every single day, KSE 100. KSE 100 is the main benchmark index of PSX. Think of it as a thermometer of the stock market. It tracks the top 100 biggest companies listed on PSX. When people say market is up today or market is down today, they are always talking about the KSE 100 index. If KSE 100 rises, most major companies are performing well. If it falls, it means a decline in overall market performance. So always keep an eye on KSE 100. It tells you the health of the entire market. 5. Why should you invest in PSX? Okay, so now the big question, why should you invest in PSX? Reason number 1, grow your money. Compared to traditional saving methods, PSX has the potential to give you much higher returns over time. Reason number 2, dividend income. Many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. This is called a dividend. You earn passive income just for holding shares. For example, you invest in a strong company. Its share price grows over time, and it pays you dividends every year. Your money works for you. Reason number 3, it's regulated and safe. PSX is regulated by SECP, Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. All your shares are stored digitally in a CDC account. It is transparent, secure, and monitored. 6 types of investors. Now let me tell you about the 2 types of investors in PSX. Type 1, long-term investors. These people buy shares and hold them for years. They focus on company growth and dividend income. This is the recommended approach for beginners. Less risk, more stable returns. Type 2, short-term traders. These people buy and sell shares frequently to earn quick profits. This requires a lot of knowledge, experience, and discipline. As a beginner, always start with long-term investing. Don't try to get rich overnight. Build slowly and steadily. Section 7, practical example. Let me give you a simple practical example. Let's say you invest 20,000 rupees in a strong company listed on PSX. Over time, the company performs well. Its share price increases. Your investment value grows without you doing anything. On top of that, the company pays you annual dividends. So you are earning in two ways: share price growth and dividend income. This is how investors build real wealth in PSX. Slowly, steadily, smartly. 8 common mistakes beginners make. Now, before I finish, let me warn you about the most common mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1: investing without knowledge. Many people enter the market based on tips from friends or social media. This almost always leads to losses. Mistake 2: putting all money in one stock. Never invest everything in one company. Always diversify. Mistake 3: panic selling. When the market drops, beginners get scared and sell immediately. This locks in your loss. Strong investors hold during bad times. Mistake 4: chasing quick profits. PSX is not a lottery. It rewards patience and discipline, not greed. Avoid these 4 mistakes and you are already ahead of most beginners. So that was your complete beginner's guide to PSX, Pakistan Stock Exchange. Now you know what PSX is, how it works, why you should invest, and what mistakes to avoid. In my next video, I will show you step by step how to open a brokerage account and place your first trade on PSX. If this video helped you, please like it. It really supports my channel. Subscribe so you never miss a video. And comment below, write PSX if you are ready to start your investment journey. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.